we're going to check the cake for doneness. One way to do that is to just touch the cake gently on the top. If it springs back and feels firm, then it's done. If it feels wiggly, it's not done. You can also take a toothpick and insert it into the center of the cake. And if it comes out clean, then the cake is done. If it comes out with batter on it, then you need to put the cake in for another 5 minutes. This cake is done. Take your cake out and put it on a cooling rack to cool completely before frosting. Now we're going to prepare our cake for decorating. You want to make sure that the cake is completely cooled before you decorate it. If it's warm at all, it'll melt your frosting. At this point, we could decorate it right in this pan. It's a very simple presentation, but it's easy to travel with, and it's great for kids' parties. You'll just decorate the whole thing. Or for a nicer presentation, we're going to put it out on a platter. This is a simple cardboard tray I found at a party store. I'd like to show you another trick that I've discovered. Since nobody ever has a cake box big enough for a sheet cake, I've discovered you can use a storage box. Just use the lid of the storage box for your base, and when the cake is all decorated, you use the bottom of the storage box as the cover. This will travel very nicely and protect your cake.